Absolutely. Here's a fully rephrased version of your Bugatti W16 script, expanded to over 200 words and flowing naturally for a 1-minute or longer read. The Bugatti W16 engine is an extraordinary marvel of automotive engineering, a powertrain that has defined an era of hypercars for almost 20 years. This 8.0-liter W16 is the only 16-cylinder engine in the world ever designed for a road-going car, and it stands as a true symbol of technical brilliance and innovation. Its story is not just one of horsepower and speed, but a celebration of engineering artistry, showcasing decades of relentless development and refinement. With 16 cylinders working in perfect harmony and a displacement of 8 liters, it produces an astonishing 1,001 PS. A figure that seemed almost unimaginable when the Veyron 16.4 was first introduced in 2005. At the time, the revelation of this engine changed the automotive world forever. It was compact, yet immensely powerful, capable of effortlessly cruising one moment and smashing acceleration records the next. From a standing start, it rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds, while its top speed soars beyond 400 kilometers per hour. The W16 is more than just an engine. It is a statement, an icon, and a testament to the relentless pursuit of perfection. Every detail, every component embodies precision, performance, and passion, making it one of the most legendary powertrains ever created. If you want, I can also make a more dramatic YouTube-style narration version that would really capture attention and feel cinematic. Do you want me to do that next? Here's a clean narration with no mention of word count, no instructions, no meta lines, just pure voice-style delivery. The Bundeswehr's bridge-laying machine moves with the confidence of a battlefield giant, built on the mighty Leopard 2 chassis that gives it the strength and protection of a frontline tank. As it approaches an obstacle, it wastes no time. The vehicle positions itself, locks into place, and within moments begins extending its long, durable bridge. In a remarkably short span, a full crossing is ready, allowing armored vehicles and troops to push forward without slowing down. This ability to create a path instantly, right where one does not exist, turns difficult terrain into a minor inconvenience rather than a tactical problem. Its capabilities do not end with bridging. With its powerful hydraulics, it can clear debris, push aside obstacles, and carve out a usable route even in damaged or chaotic environments. Its modular engineering allows quick adjustments and repairs, keeping the machine active and reliable in demanding conditions. The armor inherited from the Leopard 2 ensures that crews stay protected as they work, even when operating close to enemy threats. Nations observing its performance have recognized its reliability and speed, seeing it as a benchmark for modern combat engineering. Wherever it operates, it delivers the same message: obstacles will not stop the advance, and mobility will always be maintained. The Copter Pack is a revolutionary personal transportation device that is redefining the way we travel. It perfectly combines the convenience of a backpack with the power and versatility of a drone, allowing you to move seamlessly across different environments. You can hike through dense forests, cycle along challenging trails, or simply walk through busy city streets. And when you're ready to take flight, the Copter Pack's rotors deploy, lifting you smoothly into the air. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry, while intuitive controls and advanced autonomous flight capabilities ensure that anyone can operate it safely and efficiently. Designed for adventurers, commuters, and first responders alike, the Copter Pack opens up entirely new possibilities for mobility. Whether you are exploring remote wilderness areas, navigating congested urban streets, or responding to emergency situations where every second counts, this device adapts to your needs. Its cutting-edge technology and durable construction provide a reliable and secure flying experience, while its sleek and futuristic appearance makes it a head-turner wherever you go. The Copter Pack is more than just a transportation device. It is a gateway to freedom and exploration. It allows you to experience the thrill of flight, offering perspectives and access that were previously unimaginable. With this device, the limitations of traditional travel are erased and a new era of personal mobility begins. Adventure, efficiency, and innovation come together in one remarkable package, making the Copter Pack the ultimate solution for anyone looking to explore the world in a faster, more exciting, and entirely unique way. If you want, I can now seamlessly integrate the Zapata Flyboard Air into this narration to make it flow as one continuous, exciting script for over a minute. Do you want me to do that? The CV90 Armadillo, developed by BAE Systems Hägglunds, is a highly versatile and robust armored vehicle designed to perform a wide variety of roles on the modern battlefield. It is engineered to carry soldiers safely while providing a mobile platform for command and control, allowing leaders to coordinate operations directly from the field. Beyond troop transport, it is capable of delivering critical supplies, rescuing injured personnel, and even assisting in the recovery of other vehicles, making it an invaluable asset in complex operations. Its design emphasizes flexibility, enabling it to quickly reconfigure for different missions depending on the requirements at hand. Crew safety is a top priority, with heavy armor protection that shields against multiple types of threats, ranging from small arms fire to more substantial explosive attacks. The CV90 Armadillo is powered by a robust Scania D16 engine, which allows it to navigate difficult terrain with ease, maintaining mobility even in challenging environments. Certain models are additionally equipped with a mounted machine gun, providing extra firepower when needed. BAE Systems continues to enhance the vehicle, exploring upgrades that include advanced sensors, automated defensive systems, and integration with small drones to improve situational awareness and operational efficiency. Overall, the CV90 Armadillo stands out as a highly adaptable, well-protected, and mission-ready platform capable of fulfilling numerous critical roles for modern military forces, ensuring both effectiveness and survivability in demanding combat scenarios. If you want, I can also make it sound more like a natural narration for a voiceover that flows smoothly for over a minute. Do you want me to do that? IBM is set to redefine the future of computing with its ambitious plan to introduce the first large-scale, fault-tolerant quantum computer, codenamed Starling, by 2029. This next-generation system is designed to perform over 100 million quantum operations using 200 logical qubits, making it an astonishing 20,000 times more powerful than the quantum machines available today. The real game-changer behind Starling is its use of advanced error correction codes, which significantly reduce the amount of hardware needed while greatly enhancing performance and reliability. This breakthrough will allow the system to maintain stability during complex computations, something that has long been a major challenge in the field of quantum computing. Starling will be housed in a cutting-edge quantum data center in New York, purpose-built to support its sophisticated infrastructure and cooling requirements. With this level of capability, the machine is expected to unlock practical applications in areas that impact everyday life, including accelerating drug discovery, enabling the creation of new materials, and optimizing logistics and supply chains. IBM's long-term roadmap and strategic partnerships provide the framework for this massive leap forward, signaling that truly reliable, large-scale quantum computing may finally become a reality. Starling represents more than just a technological milestone. It is a glimpse into a future where computational limitations are dramatically expanded, opening doors to discoveries and solutions that were previously unimaginable. This project could very well mark the moment when quantum computing moves from experimental labs into real-world transformative applications, changing industries and pushing the boundaries of science in ways we are only beginning to imagine. If you want, I can make it even more fluid and dramatic so it fits perfectly for a 1-minute narration. Do you want me to do that? Got it. Here's your IBM 3D chip stacking script fully rephrased, over 200 words, and written naturally so it can be read in over a minute. IBM is taking a bold step forward in the world of computing with a breakthrough that could redefine how chips are made and keep Moore's Law alive. In collaboration with Tokyo Electron, IBM Research has introduced a completely new approach to 3D chip stacking, a method that allows multiple layers of silicon to be stacked efficiently, creating more powerful and compact processors. This innovation is not just theoretical. It has been successfully implemented on 300mm silicon wafers, marking the first time this technology has been applied at such a large scale anywhere in the world. Traditionally, stacking chips involves creating vertical connections between layers of silicon, called through-silicon vias, or TSVs. These layers are incredibly thin, often less than 100 microns, which makes the manufacturing process highly complex and prone to errors. IBM and Tokyo Electron's new technique overcomes these challenges by using lasers in a way that is essentially invisible to the silicon. This allows for more precise alignment and connection of the layers without damaging the delicate wafers. By simplifying this previously intricate process, this new method opens the door to faster, more efficient chips that can meet the ever-growing demands of modern computing. It represents a major leap forward for semiconductor technology, promising higher performance, reduced power consumption, and the continuation of Moore's Law into the future. With this achievement, IBM is setting the stage for a new era of advanced computing that could transform everything from everyday devices to the most sophisticated data centers. If you want, I can also make an even more voiceover-friendly version that naturally flows when spoken and hits over a minute without sounding stiff. The Jetson 1 is a groundbreaking electric aerial vehicle that is changing the way we think about personal flight. Unlike traditional aircraft, it doesn't require a pilot's license, making the experience of flying accessible to almost anyone who dreams of soaring through the skies. Powered by 8 high-performance motors and equipped with 8 precision propellers, the Jetson 1 is engineered for both stability and control, allowing pilots, whether beginners or experienced enthusiasts, to navigate the air with confidence. Its intuitive flight computer simplifies complex maneuvers, making the process of taking off, hovering, and landing incredibly straightforward. Safety is a top priority, which is why the Jetson 1 comes with a race car-inspired safety seat, ensuring the pilot is secure during flight, and an auto-land feature that can bring the vehicle safely back to the ground in any situation. Additionally, its redundant systems mean that even if one motor fails, the Jetson 1 can continue flying without interruption, offering reliability and peace of mind. This combination of cutting-edge technology, innovative design, and user-friendly controls allows anyone to enjoy the thrill of flight in a way that was previously reserved only for trained pilots. To expand its capabilities, the Jetson 1 also offers the Copter Pack, which enhances its performance and versatility, providing an even more immersive and exciting flying experience. By embracing the Jetson 1, users are joining the forefront of the electric aviation revolution, experiencing freedom, exhilaration, and the sheer joy of flying like never before. Klein Vision's Aircar is a groundbreaking innovation that is redefining the way we think about personal transportation. This extraordinary vehicle, designed by Stephen Klein, combines the convenience of a road car with the freedom of flight, creating a true flying car experience. Incredibly, the Aircar can transform from a standard road vehicle into a fully functional aircraft in less than 3 minutes, making the transition between driving and flying seamless and practical for everyday use. Its operation is made remarkably simple by an advanced flight computer, allowing even novice pilots to take to the skies with confidence. The system is designed so that the left hand controls altitude while the right hand manages direction, ensuring intuitive and safe flight control. Safety is at the forefront of its design. The Aircar features a safety cell inspired by high-performance race cars, which provides protection for its occupants. It also has continuous flight capabilities even if one of the motors fails, an automatic landing system, and multiple emergency safety mechanisms to handle unexpected situations. The vehicle is currently in development, and its second-generation prototype has already completed successful tethered flight tests. Officially certified as an aircraft in January 2022, the Aircar promises to revolutionize personal travel. It offers exciting possibilities for leisure trips, self-piloted journeys, and even commercial taxi services. With this innovative flying car, Klein Vision is bringing the dream of personal flight closer to reality than ever before, making the skies accessible and safe for everyone. This version is fully rephrased, over 200 words, and structured for smooth narration suitable for a 1+ minute voiceover. Proxima Fusion is on a groundbreaking mission to unlock the incredible power of nuclear fusion, the same energy source that fuels our sun. Based in Germany and emerging from the world-renowned Max Planck Institute, this innovative company is developing stellarator-based fusion reactors, a highly advanced design that promises greater stability and efficiency compared to traditional fusion methods. By using cutting-edge simulations, AI-driven optimization, and next-generation superconducting magnets, Proxima Fusion is working tirelessly to make clean and virtually limitless fusion energy a reality. Their approach could drastically change the global energy landscape, providing a safe, sustainable, and nearly infinite source of power for generations to come. Unlike conventional energy sources, fusion produces no harmful emissions and relies on abundant fuel, making it one of the most promising solutions to the world's growing energy demands. The technology being developed by Proxima Fusion has the potential to revolutionize not only electricity generation, but also industries, transportation, and even space exploration, offering a future where humanity can thrive without compromising the planet. By overcoming the immense scientific and engineering challenges, Proxima Fusion is positioning itself at the forefront of the energy revolution, bringing humanity closer than ever to a world powered by the same forces that light up the stars. Their work represents hope, innovation, and the promise of a truly sustainable future, reshaping how we think about energy and the possibilities it can unlock. If you want, I can also rephrase Robot 1X in the same style so the narration flows continuously for over a minute. Do you want me to do that?